guys, today we're going to play Tag Racer and hindi lang tayo mag-isa maglalaro nito, kundi si Marcus. Say hi! 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 Yan. Makakasama natin siya ngayon. Ngayon, meron naman tayong kalaro. Yun na. Sana hindi ako maging seeker and Marcus na. Yes, I do want to be a seeker. Yan. Tanggalin na natin to. Pangit naman yun eh. Ay! Why I'm seeker? I will kill Marcus first. Marcus, I see you. You want to play hide and seek? Where are you, Marcus? I see you. Where you are, I can find you, bitch. Oh, I see you. Come here. Ow! Oh. Lumapit, tangik. Oh. Boom! Parang nene, B. Kanyang katawan. Ay! Ang sarap dilaan. Parang meron ba yung kuning karawan? Ang sarap ng hipuan. Arigo. AFK nga muna ako, guys. Kunyari, AFK ka. Comfort talaga, guys. Ano sabi niya? Come here, bitch. You're dead. Bro, you're dumb. Fuck! Push ka na. 3 press, boy! I killed 2 person. Ito si Marcus. Angry ka? Sinong tanga? Yeah. Asan ka? Ayaw mo sa... Sultan ko darat. Gagi ka nolo ko. Sultan ko darat ka ba, Marcus? Please. Gagi ka. Asan si Pat? Pat Haspat? Saan ka, Pat Haspat? Where are you? I want to find you. To praise you. Na. Si Pat Haspat. Come here, Pat Haspat. You're dead. Panalo ako. I win. Because I know you're playing. Di ba English speaking siya? Wala, nagdudugo ilong ko. Intermission. Ayan na. What do you want? Bedroom or laboratory?
Ito.
Okay.
I want camping.
Campground. Kano ba pera ko? Gagi, nabili ko OMG. I'm not a seeker. You're the seeker. You're the seeker, Marcus.
Coming to one without
You want a freestyle?
Yes.
Like sturdy. Marcus, if you praise me, I will give you a Robux.
I found someone.
But not me.
You cannot catch that guy.
Oh. Where are you?
I see another person.
Why are you in the water, bitch? I need to save. I think I need to save him. Marcos, bawal ganyan. Mag-find ka ng people. Okay.
What does she say? AFK.
AFK?
Yes.
No, it's not.
I catch something. I'm catching everybody. I catch you.
That's not me. Go, go, go! Go! I will save the other people. Yeah. Where's the other one?
But I feel on hiding. I catch him.
Me?
No, I mean on two person.
I thought me.
Come here, person.
Person, not me. Before I let you go, can I get a kiss tonight, baby? I let you go, can I get a kiss tonight? I let you go, can I get a kiss tonight, baby? Not me, please.
I see.
I let you go, can I get a kiss tonight, bitch? Go!
Thank you.
I let you go, can I get a
Let's
kiss
play.
tonight,
You
baby?
want to play hide and seek? You want to play hide
If you catch me, I will ban you. But I'm just joking. I'm joking. I'm not the owner of this fucking game.
and
Where's the minion? Yun. I let you go, can I get... Marcos, marami yan na. Oh no, you can catch us. Ito ako, nasa taas ng bubong, oh.
Oh no, no, I'm gonna lose.
You gonna lose. Blah, 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 blah. Baba, you gonna lose. I let you go. Can I get a kiss tonight, baby? We win. Because
Yes, I
you're...
win.
I win tuloy. We win. Bleh. We win. Bleh.
Hello, master.
Ganito.
Hello,
Sturdy.
boss.
Si Jampolay tanga at si Jampolay wala na. Kamprand. Oot. Tatapakin kita. Yan. Tig! Tatapakin kita. I'll let you go. Can I get... Please not me. I'll let you go. Can I get a kiss tonight, babe? Don't touch me. Ay, wala na.
But I'm gonna play in the playground.
Because it's playground. You can play in the playground.
All
That's
day.
why it's called playground.
Wait, this is a company.
Marcos, you need to hide na. Nawawala ng galang pa. Stacy at tanga at si Jump. Go up in the playground, bitch.
Because I'm gonna play.
No, because we're going to survive there. Ay, nahulog ako. Ow! Ow! Ay, gagi ka. Yan na, yan na! Dito, dito. Jump! Okay, unggir. Okay, unggir. Okay, dami tugta, tugta. Oh, ay. Marcos, here na lang ikaw, Marcos. Here na lang ikaw. Oh! Nandiyan yung seeker. Bayom, bom, dare. Oh my god, I let you go. Can I get a kiss tonight, baby?
Well, don't let them like look and you.
I'll let you go. Can I get a kiss tonight, baby?
Someone feels that people fish me and now I'm floating is full.
Oh! Si Stacy ay tanga.
What the hell
Si
do
Jump
you think?
Polay
I
wala.
think
Run! Oh, gagi ka nulog. Bro! Kaya. I'll let you go. Can I get a kiss? No!
No, no, no.
Na 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 na.
But she come.
Si Jam pulay tanga. Oh! Wait, no! Somebody help me. Please. If I unfreeze, I will give you so many products like only
Like
1 peso.
Snack.
Okay? Please, dami unggir. Okay? Unggir. Okay.
Guys, welcome to my show. I'm
3,
Batu
2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Aray. I'll let you go. Can I get a kiss tonight? Aye!
Hello, boss.
Dito na nga nagtatapos ang ating video. Huwag niyo munang kalimutan mag-subscribe. Bye-bye!